10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. We have 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100 as well. 100 divided by 100 equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and they need to be done from left to right. So in this case, we will do first multiplication, then division, then again multiplication. So what we get? We get 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100, divided by 10 and multiply by 10. So when we divide by a number, we can even write it as a fraction, or we multiply by the inverse one. So we have 100 multiplied by 1/10 multiplied by 10. And we have, so because we have multiplication, easier would be 10 multiplied by 1/10 is 1, so we get 100, because we get tech and tech. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.